In his best-selling guide to mindfulness and meditation, Mindfulness in Plain English, 1991, Sri Lankan Buddhist monk Henepola Gunaratana provides a clear, practical manual on practicing Vipassana meditation, making it easily accessible to beginners. Vipassana, rooted in South and Southeast Asian Buddhism, translates to insight or clear awareness of what is happening as it is happening. Being fully present is central to Vipassana practice. This hands-on guide offers novices a straightforward path to cultivating mindfulness and meditation as tools for improving overall quality of life. Mindfulness in Plain English has been lauded as the Bible of Mindfulness by Barry Boyce, editor of Mindful magazine, pithy and practical by Shambhala's Son, jargon-free by USA Today, and among the very best by Tricycle. Gunaratana addresses the fundamental question, why meditate? He acknowledges that meditation is not easy. It demands time, dedication, and perseverance. When practiced correctly, meditation purifies the mind by clearing away negative thoughts and emotions, such as greed, jealousy, anger, and hatred. The goal is transformation, to enter meditation as one person and emerge as another, more aware of one's thoughts and actions, reflecting deeply and staying present. Gunaratana also highlights common misconceptions, clarifying what meditation is not. Meditation is not merely a relaxation technique, a trance, or a path to becoming a psychic superhuman. Although meditation may seem mysterious, it is grounded in a moral framework accessible to anyone. It is not reserved for holy individuals. Other misconceptions include meditation as a means of escaping reality, seeking euphoria, selfish indulgence, a short-term fix, or getting lost in abstract thought. Gunaratana then defines what meditation truly is. He draws a comparison with the Judeo-Christian tradition, noting that while prayer is a direct address to some spiritual entity, contemplation is a prolonged period of conscious thought about a specific topic. In meditative practice, especially in yoga, the aim is to focus the mind on a single object. Concentration has long been valued in Buddhism, yet awareness has emerged as the central element. Zen meditation can be approached in two ways: directly accessing awareness through sheer effort, or engaging the mind with a riddle or puzzle until focus naturally arises. In Tantric Buddhism, concentration is used to dissolve the ego image in the mind. Gunaratana outlines essential attitudes for meditation practice. Expect little, treat the practice as an experiment, avoid straining or rushing. Let go, accept whatever arises, be gentle with oneself, investigate one's mind, see problems as challenges, and refrain from comparing oneself to others. The aim is to quiet the mind, focusing attention on a single object and cultivating the noble qualities latent in the subconscious. For sitting meditation, Gunaratana emphasizes stillness. Remain in one position, keep the back upright, close the eyes, and focus on the breath while ignoring external distractions. Techniques include counting breaths, linking inhalation and exhalation, fixing the mind like a carpenter on a straight line, and treating the mind as a vigilant gatekeeper. Through these methods, the practitioner cultivates present moment awareness. Physically, remaining still combats discomfort and fatigue. Mentally, the mind is cleared of problems to concentrate fully on breathing. Gunaratana also stresses preparing the mind with love and kindness before meditation. A positive attitude makes it easier to navigate distractions and challenges. Meditation can be uncomfortable, but embracing pain is part of the practice. One can observe pain as attentively as the breath. When distractions arise, they should be acknowledged briefly, then released, allowing focus to return to breathing. Every thought presents an opportunity to strengthen mindfulness, which, like a muscle, grows with repeated practice. Mindfulness is an impartial watchfulness. It perceives without attachment, forming the foundation of Vipassana meditation and enabling the realization of Buddhism's three core truths: anicca, impermanence; dukkha, dissatisfaction, and anatta, selflessness. Finally, Gunaratana distinguishes mindfulness from concentration. Concentration is an act of will, while mindfulness is a sensitive refinement of awareness. Concentration depends on mindfulness to be effective, which is developed by gently returning the mind to present awareness. Henepola Gunaratana was ordained a Buddhist monk at the age of 12 in a small Sri Lankan village temple. Since 1973, he has served as the Buddhist chaplain at the American University, guiding students in Buddhism and meditation. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe.